Let's learn LaTeX, MiniChapter 3. So, most of you must have encountered formatting issues while dealing with bulleted and numbered list in your Word document while writing your thesis or your research papers. However, using LaTeX, you can very easily create a bulleted and numbered list within seconds. Let's find out how. Take the sample LaTeX document created in MiniChapter 1. Today, for creating bullets and numbering lists, first let's begin with how to make a bulleted list. For that, begin \section within curly braces bulleted list. That will be the heading of your bulleted list. Now \begin itemize followed by \item, the name of the first item of the bulleted list. Similarly, \item, second item, followed by \item, third item. In this way, you can create the n number of items you require for your bulleted list. Close the list by the end itemize command. Next, for creating a numbered list, the process is similar. Simply, you have to begin enumerate instead of begin itemize, and you have to end enumerate instead of end itemize. So, now compile it. Here is your document with the bulleted and numbered list. If you found this video insightful, do drop down a comment. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for upcoming videos on LaTeX tutorials.